Welcome to Display Museum. I am Dr. Pan, the curator of museum.
Hello, Dr. Pan. I'm Greg. I came here to learn about LCD module.
Hello, Greg. In short, it consists of LCD screen and LED backlight. The working principle of LCD module is that LED backlight module emits uniform light to the surface as the light source of LCD screen, and LCD screen, which works as a switch, is to control the light on or off, resulting in the display of the image. In order to control the display content, we have to use IC to issue the commands. According to the different locations of IC, it can be divided into COG and COB LCD module. Based on the display content, it can be divided into segment, dot matrix, graphic and character LCD module. Normally, it is much thicker than OLED since it has a backlight as the light source. It can be very thin, but the thinner it gets, the more technical problems we have to solve, the higher the price will be. The advantage of LCD module technology is that it is very mature and very stable. The unit price is significantly lower than OLEDs.
Dr. Pan, how can we convert if LCD module is good quality?
That is a good question. There are several factors we need to consider. Number 1. Defective pixel. The less, the better. LCD screen is composed of many display points. If there is no defective pixel, it is Class AA. It is Class A when there are less than 4 defective pixels and only 1 bright spot. And it is Class B when there are less than 4 defective pixels and 2 bright spots. Number 2. Brightness. The brighter, the better. Number 3. Contrast rate. It means the comparison between the brightest part and the darkest part of LCD. The minimum contrast rate is 350 to 1. The higher, the better. Number 4. Response time. The faster the better. The minimum response time is 30 milliseconds. It means 33 frames per second. Number 5. Color gamut. The higher the better. Number 6. Viewing angle. The wider the better. TN LCD is only 90 degree. HTN is 110 degree. STN is 210 degree to 255 degree. FSTN is the advanced version of STN with 1 compensation film. The view angle is better.
Thank you, Dr. Pan. Now I got it.
Welcome to contact us if you have any question.